We are trained to rely our identity on kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa buhay. Bata pa lang, how we present ourselves is like,
Hi, I'm JP, grade 1.
I mean, nothing wrong with that. Pero ang mangyayari kung hindi igagay all throughout our lives, ganon ang pagdepende natin sa ating identity. So pag adult ka na, ang identity mo ay sa trabaho mo. Hi, I'm JP and I'm an employee of this company. So my point is, maraming walang trabaho ngayon. And it doesn't mean wala kang identity. Hindi nakasalalay sa ginagawa mo sa buhay ang iyong identity. And I'm here to encourage you na isang mistake yan. You have value. You have purpose. Ginawa ka intentionally ng Diyos. You're not a product of an accident. Your identity is in your Creator. Kahit may trabaho ka o wala, your identity is intact with God.